Welcome to the cutting edge of technology, folks. It's 2024, and Amazon is teeming with gadgets that seem to have leaped straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Today, we're diving deep into 15 mind-blowing tech innovations that you can actually buy and have delivered to your doorstep. From smart monitors that double as entertainment hubs to devices that can turn any surface into a touchscreen. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare to catapult into the future of tech. Before we blast off into this tech wonderland, make sure you're ready for the ride of your life. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single second of this tech revolution. One LG smart monitor. Kicking off our list is the revolutionary LG smart monitor. This isn't just a display, it's a full-fledged entertainment hub and productivity powerhouse that's redefining what a monitor can do. Key features: 32-inch 4K UHD display with HDR10 for stunning visuals, built-in WebOS for seamless access to streaming and productivity apps, AirPlay 2 and Miracast support for effortless wireless screen sharing, USB-C connectivity offering a single cable solution for power, video, and data, adaptive picture and sound modes that adjust based on your content and environment. Whether you're crunching numbers for work, binge-watching your favorite shows, or immersing yourself in the latest games, this smart monitor does it all without needing a PC. It's like having a high-end TV, a powerful computer monitor, and a smart streaming device all rolled into one sleek package. The future of displays is here, and it's available now on Amazon. 2. Samsung Smart Monitor M8. Not to be outdone, Samsung's Smart Monitor M8 is another game changer in the world of displays, pushing the boundaries of what a monitor can offer. Standout features: slim fit camera for crystal clear video calls, detachable for privacy, Samsung TV Plus providing free content streaming without a PC or mobile device, SmartThings Hub integration, turning your monitor into a control center for your smart home. Adaptive picture technology that adjusts brightness and color temperature based on your room's lighting. USB-C charging up to 65W, powering your devices while you work or play. This monitor isn't just smart, it's genius. It's a TV when you want to relax, a PC monitor when you need to work, and a smart home hub when you want to control your connected devices. With its slim design and array of features, the M8 is not just a monitor, it's a lifestyle upgrade. 3. Scarper Ebike. Ever wished you could turn your trusty bicycle into an electric powerhouse? Well, the future is now with the Scarper Ebike conversion kit. Attaches seamlessly to your bike's disc brake mount in seconds. Provides electric assistance up to 20 mph, making hills and long distances a breeze. Easily removable for charging and security, weighing only 3 pounds. App-controlled for customizable ride settings, including power assist levels and speed limits. Regenerative braking technology to extend battery life. This gadget is revolutionizing urban transportation, making e-bikes accessible to everyone without the need to invest in a brand new electric bicycle. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and incredibly convenient. With Scarper, every ride becomes an electrifying experience. Quick quiz. How much do you think the Scarper e-bike kit weighs? Pause the video and take a guess. Got it? Let's see if you're right. At just 3 pounds, it's lighter than most bike locks. 4. Windsible. Next up is the Windsible, a portable wind turbine that's changing the game for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and sustainable living. Key features: compact and lightweight design, easily fitting in a backpack. Generates up to 40 W of power in winds as low as 8 mph. Weather-resistant construction, perfect for all outdoor conditions. Compatible with various power banks and devices through USB output. Silent operation, ensuring minimal disturbance to nature or campsite neighbors. 5. Master Hub. The Master Hub is the ultimate solution for decluttering your desk and transforming your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. What what it offers: multiple USB ports, including USB-C and HDMI outputs for all your devices, gigabit Ethernet port for stable, high-speed internet connection. This hub transforms your laptop into a full-fledged workstation with just one connection. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to a streamlined, efficient workspace. If these gadgets are already making you feel like you're living in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got 10 more mind-blowing inventions coming up, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single one of these game changers. 6. Miram. The Miram is revolutionizing home security with its AI-powered capabilities, offering peace of mind like never before. Standout features: 360-degree rotation and 120-degree tilt for comprehensive room coverage. AI person detection and tracking, distinguishing between humans, pets, and objects. Seamless integration with popular smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home. 7. Reload Touch Buds. Reload Touch Buds are redefining what we expect from wireless earbuds, packing a multitude of features into a tiny, ergonomic package. Innovative features: touch-sensitive controls on the earbud surface for intuitive operation, AI-powered active noise cancellation that adapts to your environment, real-time language translation supporting over 40 languages, extended battery life with smart power management, offering up to 50 hours of playtime with the charging case. These earbuds aren't just for listening to music, they're a personal assistant, fitness tracker, and language translator all rolled into one tiny package. With Reload Touch Buds, the future of audio is here, and it's smarter than ever. 8. Clever Tachon. The Clever Tachon is a pocket-sized device that's changing the way we interact with the digital world, bringing sci-fi technology into our everyday lives. What it does: projects a full-sized virtual keyboard onto any flat surface, creates a virtual touchscreen interface up to 14 inches diagonally, compatible with smartphones, tablets, and laptops via Bluetooth. 9. Ecoflow Lamp Pro. Lighting gets a major upgrade with the Ecoflow Lamp Pro, transforming any space with its advanced features and stunning effects. Key features: RGB technology, offering 16 million color options and multiple colors per strip. Music sync capabilities using a built-in mic to create dynamic lighting effects. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation. Customizable lighting scenes via smartphone app with options to create and share your own. Energy-efficient LED technology, consuming only 25% of the power of traditional bulbs. This isn't just a lamp, it's a mood-setting, party-starting, productivity-boosting lighting system that will transform any room in your home. 10. Cooler Master Hybrid M. The Cooler Master Hybrid M is a revolutionary cooling solution for tech enthusiasts and professionals dealing with high-performance computing needs. What makes it special? Combines the best of air and liquid cooling in one compact system. Addressable RGB lighting for customizable aesthetics to match your setup. Near silent operation even under heavy loads with noise levels as low as 15 dBA. Whether you're a hardcore gamer pushing your system to the limits or a professional running demanding applications, this cooling system ensures your hardware stays cool under pressure. 11. Voltra I. The Voltra I is a portable power station that's perfect for the modern adventurer, bringing reliable power wherever you go. Standout features: high capacity, 299 WR lithium battery, enough to charge a laptop 3 to 4 times. Multiple output options, including AC, USB-A, USB-C, and 12V DC. Fast charging capabilities, reaching 80% capacity in just 1 hour. Compact and lightweight design, weighing only 7.5 pounds. Pop quiz. How many times do you think the Voltra I can charge an average smartphone? The answer? Up to 25 times. 12. Hol Lens 3. Microsoft's Hol Lens 3 takes augmented reality to the next level, blurring the lines between the digital and physical worlds. Revolutionary features: enhanced field of view, now covering 70 degrees horizontally, improved hand and eye tracking for intuitive gesture controls, AI-powered spatial mapping for seamless integration of holograms into your environment, 5G connectivity for low latency, high bandwidth experiences. From revolutionizing remote work collaboration to transforming educational experiences, the Hol Lens 3 is not just a device, it's a portal to a new reality. 13. Ecoflow Delta Pro. The Ecoflow Delta Pro is a powerhouse that's redefining portable energy storage. Impressive capabilities. Massive 3.6 kW capacity, expandable to 25 kWh with additional batteries, 3600 W AC output. Rapid charging, 0 to 80% in just 1 hour. Smart app control for real-time monitoring and customization. 14. Neuralink. Elon Musk's Neuralink brings us one step closer to merging human consciousness with artificial intelligence. Groundbreaking features, minimally invasive brain implant with over 1,000 flexible neural threads, potential to restore mobility for paralyzed individuals, aims to enhance cognitive abilities and memory. While still in its early stages, the Neuralink BCI represents a quantum leap in human-machine interaction. It's not just a gadget, it's a glimpse into a future. 15. Quantum dot display glasses. Rounding out our list are the revolutionary quantum dot display glasses, bringing high-definition, personalized displays wherever you go. Cutting-edge technology, micro LED displays with quantum dot color enhancement, 4K resolution, per eye for unparalleled visual clarity, spatial audio for immersive sound experience. These glasses aren't just for entertainment, they're a portable, personal theater and workstation. Let's quickly recap these 15 mind-blowing gadgets and what they're used for. 1. LG Smart Monitor, an all-in-one solution for entertainment, work, and smart home control without needing a PC. 2. Samsung Smart Monitor M8, a versatile display that functions as a TV, computer monitor, and smart home hub in one sleek package. 3. Scarper Ebike, a conversion kit that transforms your regular bicycle into an electric bike for effortless commuting. 4. Windsible, a portable wind turbine that provides renewable energy for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness. 5. Master Hub, a comprehensive connectivity solution that declutters your desk and boosts productivity. 6. Miram, an AI-powered security camera that offers 360-degree surveillance and smart detection for home safety. 7. Reload Touchbuds, multifunctional earbuds that combine high-quality audio, fitness tracking, and real-time translation. 8. Clever Tachon, a pocket-sized device that projects a virtual keyboard and touchscreen on any surface for mobile productivity. 9. Gorvi Floor Lamp Pro, an advanced smart lamp that transforms your room's ambiance with customizable lighting and music sync. 10. Cooler Master Hybrid M, a cutting-edge cooling system that combines air and liquid cooling for high-performance computers. 11. Voltra I, a portable power station that provides reliable electricity for outdoor activities and emergencies. 12. Hol Lens 3. An augmented reality headset that overlays digital information onto the real world for immersive experiences and productivity. 13. Ecoflow Delta Pro, a high-capacity portable power station designed for off-grid living and backup power during outages. 14. Neuralink Brain-Computer Interface, a revolutionary brain implant that aims to enhance human cognition and treat neurological conditions. 15. Quantum dot display glasses, wearable micro LED displays that offer a private, high-quality visual experience for entertainment and work. If these futuristic gadgets have got your tech senses tingling, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Smash that like button and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Remember, the future is now, and it's available on Amazon. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated on the latest and greatest in the world of technology.